Hey, welcome to UK Wild Crafts. In this video I'll show you how to make these southern fried chicken of the woods mushrooms. If you're not sure how to identify the chicken of the woods, then click on the video link at the end of this video. First we need to pane or bread the mushrooms. So we need to set up our pane mixes. Get 3 mixing bowls, and in one of them put roughly 500 grams of plain flour. And mix into that roughly a tablespoon of ground turmeric and about the same of paprika, ground ginger, and garlic powder. Give them a quick mix together. In the second bowl, put 6 eggs, just a little splash of milk, and beat those together. And in the third bowl, you want your breadcrumbs. You can make your own. I recommend using panko. And also mix in a bit of oregano. And some thyme. Just a bit of salt. And black pepper. So there you've got your 3 mixes, and you want your flour mix on your left, eggs in the middle, breadcrumbs on the right. So now the pane's ready, you want to cut your chicken of the woods mushrooms into strips. Or if you like, you can make them more into fillets, like as if you're getting a breast of chicken. Now the trick is, when panning something, or breading something, you want to use one hand for dry and one hand for wet. So in other words, one hand for doing the flour mix and the breadcrumbs, and the other hand for doing the egg. Because if you mix up the dry and the wet, then you'll make a big mess. So take a piece of the mushroom with one hand, coat it in the flour mix, and shake off the excess. Put it into the egg, and then with the other hand, coat that in the egg, shake off the excess, and then coat it in the breadcrumbs. And just repeat that process for all the pieces of mushroom. And if you want to make a really thick breadcrumb, you can re-pane it, so you don't need to put it back in the flour, but you can put it straight back into the egg, and then the breadcrumb mix again. So you've got your mushroom breaded, and you want to heat up some oil in a saucepan. Just standard vegetable oil will be fine. And just heat it on a medium heat. Once you've got this oil on the heat, I recommend not leaving the kitchen because it can be quite dangerous. And if you've got a deep fat fryer, that's even better. So once your oil is hot enough, just get a few pieces at a time, drop them in the oil. Just a few minutes should do it. When they're a nice crispy golden brown, then you can serve them. So I'm serving it with some greens out of the garden. It's just dandelion, riblet plantain and clover. And I'll also serve it with some sriracha mayo. So simply just mayonnaise and some sriracha chili sauce. And just mix those together. There we have southern fried chicken of the woods with sriracha mayo.